I got you one to dance.
Yes. What's the Haitian?
Hello, c'est Edith, Soso Kitchen, okay? Please, if that's your first time, try to subscribe. Put your finger for me. Thumb up with the family Soso Kitchen. Thanks very much. Today we're going to do pork fry. Nous allons faire griot, okay? I do everything already. So that the meat, I'm going to deep fry it. I got one of my friends here. Hey, she's very shy. That's the chef. We're not going to see her face. We're going to see her hands. She's going to help me in the kitchen. Okay?
So that's pork.
Yes.
So you cleaned it and you boiled it.
Yes.
How long was it on the stove?
That was for half an hour.
Half an hour.
When I wash it first, and then I let it sit down for 1 hour, and then I boil it for 45 minutes to.
You seasoned it?
Yes, I put salt and basil and then garlic. Now I'm going to pop fry it.
Okay.
I got one of my friends, she's here, she's coming to help me. She's going to deep fry it for me. So she knows better than me. So I don't know how to do it very well. I called her and then she said, don't worry, I'm coming to help you.
Okay. We are using a deep fryer, but you can just put oil in a pot on the stove and also do it.
Yeah, so if
at home and you don't have a deep fryer,
I can do it in the stove too.
It's at 375. It's just warming up now. We're also gonna fry some plantains. So the light came on, so now it's good to go. For it to sit right, you have to make sure the handle's on the right spot in the front. You can see it cooking. This is what's left after the first batch. That's the last bit. About 10 minutes, so it works quicker on this, so if you're on the stove it might be a bit longer. You just want to make sure you're checking the color. And this is what it looks like.
Yeah, that's very nice. We got some pot, it's not good.
So
it's not ready yet.
We're going to take out the ones that are brown. So for example, if you look close, this one's not fully brown, but some are. So we're going to take out which ones are ready.
So, Chef, what do you want me to do?
Kita mo kurang sakit ay tama mo. Let set.
So it's not brown enough. She's going to put it back.
Hindi mo kaya may lew pa. Pasal. Let set pulo ang request.
She wanted very dry.
So it's really based on your preference. These are more of the fattier pieces that take a longer time.
Okay.
And then you're gonna put
If you
that
want, you
with
can
that.
have this one too. Yeah.
Okay.
You're going to do a vinaigrette now for the griot. So that's hot pepper,
Hot pepper.
and then onion,
Yes.
and then what you're going to put again?
Blue sweet one.
Lemon juice.
Yeah, the green one. The fresh
Lemon
one.
juice, the fresh one. You go. Okay, chef. That's going to be very nice one. Now I learn.
So we cut
we learn it every day.
an onion and a half, and then we'll also have hot Scotch bonnet pepper. We're using about 4 to 5. You can use less. It really depends on your preference. And then we're adding half a cup of lime juice. Throughout this video, we're gonna say lemon, but we mean lime juice, the green one. Sorry, guys. So we added the half a cup of lime juice to the mixture, and now she's just mixing it in. And she's also going to add half a Maggi in there as well. If you don't have Maggi, you can always use salt. And she's just crumbling it up before it comes out so it dissolves better when she's mixing it into the mixture. And then when your griot's done, this is what you put on top of it to give it that extra kick. And this is the secret, guys.
You can do it. So
This is the secret for griot.
that's the very secret thing for griot. So the onion, lemon juice, and then the onion.
Oh, she's not peeling.
How long are you going to leave it? 5 minutes?
No, it's okay. You can eat it immediately.
So,
Just mix it.
done. Fresh lemon juice.
Onion, hot pepper, a little bit of Maggi.
Or if you don't have Maggi,
Nico.
you have salt, you can put a little bit of salt. So that's it.
Okay, let me taste.
Oh, sure, just wait. Tastes good?
Very good. So, I tasted it when it came out the deep fryer versus now.
That's too
It
different.
has a different taste in a good way.
Two different flavors. That's why we said that the secret for the griot.
Yeah, I taste the lemon in it. This is amazing.
Yes. Yeah.
Amazing.
That's good. That's why I called the chef.
So I'm at my friend's house and we have a book club meeting, but I brought over some griot and plantain. So they're gonna taste it. First is Kamaya. All right, I need your honest, raw opinion.
All right. So,
And Kamaya knows Haitian food.
yes, and the good thing about this is they put the pickles on it.
Oh, she went for a big piece.
Yo, this is good.
It's like fried, but still tender at the same time.
It's juicy. You can taste the seasoning in the middle of it.
Yeah. So,
What's this, carrot?
no. That's a hot pepper.
Okay, I do onions. All right.
All right, take any piece. Oh, this is Doreen, guys. Say hi, Doreen, to Soso's Kitchen.
Soso's Kitchen, my favorite channel. Oh my god. I love it. I do.
Doreen always be making noises when she eats.
It's like heaven. Like good food. I love. So good. I want another piece.
Oh, yeah, feel free. Help yourself.
So good.
I got you one to dance.
Yes. What's the Haitian dance?
Compa.
How do you do it?
You got, oh, look at you moving your hips. Ow.